Okay, so this is a 2012 Prius C, and as you can see, the tail light is broken. The glass is gone. This car was in a minor accident. See, this headlight, or tail light I should say, is intact. So I'll be installing a new tail light today. I'll put an Amazon link below to the tail light, but you can also check eBay. eBay has new and used tail lights as well. You'll need to open the trunk to get access to the tail light. And then there's one bolt right here and another bolt right here. So I'll take these off. You need a 10mm ratchet. Okay, now I'll take the top one off. And now I'm just gonna pull the tail light out. It'll just pop out like that. All right, so now I have 4 bulbs I need to take out. This one, this one, this one, right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Start by getting the wire up and just twisting it. You'll also have to get these wires out of this holder right here. Okay, this is a plug. I'll just push this in. That comes right on out. And this is the last one. This one is kind of tough to turn. All right, I'm having some trouble with this one, so I'm going to get my pliers and see if I can get that out. There we go. Yeah, this one was tough to get out, so you might need a pair of pliers or vice grips to get this plug out. Okay, so this is the old tail light, and see this right here, this is what that plug plugged into, and this is a new tail light right next to it, but this does not have the piece for the tail light to plug into. So I have to take this off and put it on the new tail light in order for this plug to be plugged into the new tail light. All right, boys and girls, so I have a Phillips screwdriver. Make sure you don't lose that screw. Okay, I am having a little bit of trouble taking this off. I'm going to carefully use this because there is a gasket in there. I don't want to cut it to pry it up. I tried using a screwdriver, but a screwdriver just couldn't fit down in there for me. So I'm just gently prying this thing up along the edges, and I think I got it. Yep. Okay, it's loose. And this is what I used to get it off, this little pick tool. Now I just need to put this on the new tail lamp. So let me get the new one. So this goes in like that. Have my screwdriver. Now I can put the tail light back on the car. All right, now I can put everything back in. We'll start with this big bulb. This is the plug. I believe this little bulb is the brake light. And this goes right here. So that is in. Put this right there. Okay, now I have to get my vice grips again and tighten that. Okay, so when you put the tail lamp back in, of course we have the 2 bolts, but right here and down here, you'll have 2. This will go in the top and this will go in the bottom. So you'll have these 2 little long joints that have to be lined up like this. Okay? So that, so just make sure you put this piece in there, and then up here we'll have this piece right here. So now I can put the tail lamp back in. Okay, so now I can put the bolts back in. Now I'll do the bottom one. And then when you're done, you might just want to make sure everything works as far as all the lights. This is the brake light, blinker, hazard lights,